Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to use Print Screen option in Windows 7. First of all, open up the desired screen you wish to take a screenshot of. In this tutorial, we have opened up Internet Explorer and logged on to gmail.com. Now press the Print Screen button on the keyboard. Once done, open up Paint. Click on Paste menu and choose the Paste option from the drop-down list. You will see that a screenshot will be pasted on the canvas. Now, if you want to use the Print Screen option to capture a specific dialog box appearing on the screen, hold the Alt key and press the Print Screen button on your keyboard. Once done, open a new Paint window and use the Paste option to paste the screenshot of the dialog box onto the canvas. Now go to the File menu. Select the Save option and save the screenshot on your hard drive. You can even choose the format for your image from the Save as Type drop-down menu.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.